good serving practices. Try not to use metal spoons for customers. Alternative spoon solutions, depending on purpose. So shaker cups don't necessarily require a metal spoon. Example could be shakes that are made in a thicker style and can be scooped with a spoon. Plasticware is useful. If there are sinks available in the facilities, then silver spoons can be used, but it's not absolutely necessary. You want to make sure there's alternative utensils choices for whatever purposes outside of metal. Although for finer dining experiences, metal is actually preferred. But if customers request non-metal utensils, then we can accommodate. So we want to make sure we have that in good business practice. In some areas, being corporate, like CSR, social responsibilities. So being socially responsible. We don't want to necessarily interfere with anything else. We just want to have accommodations as needed in regards to that. Other situations, no one should feel as though they have to be intrusive, depending on situation and what have you. Just metal utensils and alternative accommodations if requested or desired.